Arizona, homeowner's best friend.
We do upholstery, couches, chairs and things of that sort, sofas, sectionals. It's a great soft fabric that, you know, when you sit on and the oils from your body and your animals are on there, you really should keep those clean and all the allergens that are on them. So we can definitely sanitize and clean all furnitures.
And is that the same equipment you're cleaning with the carpet with, or is this different equipment?
We have. With fibers on couches there, it's a little bit different than carpet. It's a little bit more delicate, I should say. So we do have products that you need to use on them, so it's a little bit safer for them. We're still using that pure water. Okay, and then what you need to do though is we have some tools, So because you don't want to drench them, you don't want to put too much water on them because you're going to get foam and stuff underneath them. But yes, so some particular products that we use that are specific for the delicate fibers on there. But
so it's still on site. It's not like you have to take it. You know, some of the area rugs I know, you've got to take it somewhere to get it clean properly and then brought back.
Most definitely. We with our rug cleaning process, there are some that we can do on site, and some customers want to do them on site. And we can clean them like wall to wall carpet. We can clean them like that as surface clean. But yeah, some of the rugs you do want to take out and get cleaned. We have a rug bath that we use, and we take them and we get them fully flushed, because that's something that you can take out and clean and fully flush through and get all those, because dogs and animals do like to mark their territory there. So Rosie
on the house, every Arizona